Ang sa akin, sir, unti-unti talaga dapat ma-increase natin yung pension, pagandahin yung pension system. Yun yung pinaka-root niyan. So yung pension system will help us provide a way of giving them. Kasi unti-unti, ang mangyayari kasi nito, if the elderly slowly become less dependent on their families, they need something to rely on, no? So yan ang pinakauna. Kung hindi kasi nating ayusin tong pension system, unti-unti mag-chip away yung kung magkano ang pwedeng maging security ng elderly habang siya'y tumatanda. May mga nagsasabi nga baka maski ako pag nag-retire ako baka wala nang value yung aking pension, no. So yun yung dapat nating ayusin ngayon pa lang, kasi kung hindi natin ayusin at laging sabihin na lang natin ay pagpabukas na lalala at lahat tayo tumatanda. So kailangan natin talaga ng way to be able to become more resilient. So that's part of it. For me, that's the very first thing. The second thing is, habang kukunti pa lang yung mga may mga extremely vulnerable na certain persons na elderly living alone, elderly na medyo matanda na 80s, 90s, bigyan natin sila ng better support, especially for PhilHealth, for instance, no? Nandiyan na rin lang sila na unahin, no? Kasi minsan ang tendency natin sa gobyerno, one size fits all, no? So siguro dapat intindihin natin na yung needs, especially ng ganyan klaseng mga vulnerable, matugunan natin. Kasi kung hindi, tulad ng sabi ni Sec Butch, lalala at lalala ang sitwasyon, tapos wala tayong ibang masisisi kundi sarili natin dahil wala tayong ginawa.
Alam mo, Louie, sa Amerika, it's interesting eh. Hindi mo napapansin pag election, hindi nakakalimutan yung prescription drugs. Medicaid, Medicare, lahat yung mga tulong sa senior. Kasi sa Amerika, the percentage of senior people voting is very high.
Kaya...
Sure, pag kinampanyahan mo yan at nakuha mo yung boto nila,
That makes sense.
malaking boto. Samantalang the young people, only 29% vote. Yung mga matatanda,
Ang mahilig bumoto.
talagang bumuboto yan. And because of that, they have become a power block. So, every election, hindi nawawala yung issue
That's an interesting,
Yeah, kasi ito, this is, naman, yung empowerment angle na even if you don't have government speaking for you, you are a political force to reckon with. So baka
That's interesting.
sa akin kasi it works in the US eh.
You're correct.
At saka hindi sila ideological. Pag issue ng senior, whether you're Republican or Democrat,
That's true.
Dapat.
isa lang naman ang estado niyo sa buhay.
That,